It's almost hard to imagine how it can go wrong. It's almost one of those that it's not boring per se, but it's very predictable. And it seems like the risk is pretty mitigated.
Yeah, I mean, risk for us, the focus was these are shorter term leases too.
Yeah.
There could be higher vacancy rates, which could lead to issues collecting rent, especially if it's a mismanaged property. If those tenants have options and don't feel the respect from management, so it's really important that they get that with our assets. And risks are inherent when improving a property. So your engineering and your underwriting is really important at the buy, because when you re-engage the marketplace once those renovations are final, they need to be done right if you want to get a multiple on invested capital that is respectable. So you have to have a good reputation. Real estate, it's an interesting asset class. You need a lot of interesting people. I think ego is one of those things that you have to try to judge in real estate. There's a lot of it, and we really want to work with folks that are humble and respectful and do business the right way. So maintaining a respected reputation with the leasing and marketing community is so critical in this asset class.
I was just going to ask, how you think about geography, because if you're managing a lot of tenants and each one requires its own manager, but you don't have a presence big enough in any given market, right? Like you could imagine how you can be too thin in your management. So I could see that be something that you're cognizant of and sensitive to.
Yeah, absolutely. And something we tried to understand in our diligence was trade wars and how that could impact the industrial space. And companies may look for less expensive alternatives, moving production from China to Mexico, and how could that impact industrial and those tenants. We got comfortable around it though, and for us it's about balance and diversification. And a positive of light industrial is you're gonna have lots of different tenants doing lots of different things. But also having management at the property level that you're not just letting anybody in.